What? What? I did. I just pressed it. It beeped and it scared me. Where is Chris? Oh, he's batteries.
I thought it was me.
Stop picking it.
I know.
Take care of yourself.
I picked it once and I was like, I should stop.
Did-
A nursing home.
I want you to know that I'm recording.
Seriously? Are you seriously?
Yes.
Oh my god. Cut. Cut.
Bruh.
You might have to unmute since I turned everybody on.
Okay, hey, can I try one more thing different right now? I want to see how it reads. Can we all face forward until the racer starts your engine and then turn to the center? Can we try that? So do all your character work up here towards the audience, like the announcer passing, all that stuff. And then once the racer starts your engines, then everyone turns to the center. I just want to see what that looks like, and then we'll go over there. Turn to the center. There we go. Got it. I'm back.
Chris hyping up the audience.
Lots of big layers. Lots of stuff we got done today. Let's try and make sure you apply all of it to this. Okay? Here we go.
Sharon.
It's a beautiful day out here at the Dayton Motor Speedway, and the racers are getting ready to put on a show. And now, racers, start your engines! Performing their 2023 program, Dayton 500, WGI's Sport the Arts is proud to present Bellevue West High School!
Reluctantly crouched at the starting line. Engines pumping and pumping and pumping. The green light flashes. The flag up above. Sherman and Bernie. They yearn for the cup.
You can blame it all on me.
Eddie, come back.